19 November 2020. The Joint Action Committee is a non-political and secular platform. It was constituted in the year 2011, where it's a constitutional body of various civil society and student organizations. And the Joint Action Committee and civil society vehemently opposed the demand raised by the Janajati Suraksha Month during recent press briefing conducted on 19th of November 2023 and 10th of December 2023 pertaining to the following points. The number point 1 is delisting the converted person from ST listed through the constitutional amendment of Article 342 of the Indian Constitution. And second one, organizing delisting rally on 25th of December 2023 at Astagol Ground, Agortala. And point number 3, enjoying dual facilities by ST Christian as a religious minority community and scheduled tribe. And fourth, demolishing traditional indigenous culture by ST Christian. The Tripura indigenous people by faith in Hindu, Christian and animism are peacefully living together since time immemorial without any clash among them in the religious issue. But this is the first time in our state that has raised by organizations such sensitive religious issues to delisting the indigenous ST Christian from scheduled tribe list. This is nothing but one kind of serious propaganda to divide the indigenous people of Tripura through religion. And we all know India is a secular and democratic country, and any citizen have their own right and liberty to choose their belief and faith.